Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour of sorts because right now abhi bhi mera room it's not complete yet. A lot more touch-ups have to be done, but I think this update was well due in advance because I think the last video I made was during Pujo vlogs, which was like almost a year ago at this point. So yeah, it's a work in progress just like me. But anyways, let me take you guys through it because I have kind of updated some of the things in my room and I'm going to take you wall by wall to see what things I have changed and what not. Just thoda sa hi improvement hua hai from my last room. If you guys are interested to know how I have decorated my room, then let's dive into this video. Also guys, it's extremely hot, so I've had to switch on the fan. Please do forgive that. Also guys, almost 90% of you watching this video aren't subscribed to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Go hit that subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. And without me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this room tour. So as usual, you enter from the door, and this time I've kept the door very simple, just basic combination of lavender and white, and I think it does complement it quite well. Again, इस side don't notice it because यहाँ पे थोड़ा झाड़ू and stuff है, so it easily gets concealed with the door. ये खुला रहता है तो दिखाई नहीं देता, but it is very essential, you know, to keep your house or room spick and span. You do need to have these things, so I don't mind. Also, my room is quite messy right now because I was not really prepared for filming this video. So the door is here, nothing much, no decoration, no wall hangings, anything at all, just your basic simple white door. And uske paas mein hi, if you see over here, I got this macrame wall hanging shelf. I know it is such a 2020 thing, but I got this shelf from Meesho, and the set of two, you best believe, retails only for ₹83. So what a freaking bargain. Iske upar I have kept this crystal tree which I got as a birthday gift from my friend Mia, and this one here's a little Buddha. He's also a gift actually, and this looks really pretty and aesthetic as well. Again, just beside the door I have my whole wall area. Yahan pe I've just kept a cute little sunflower, and my whole table is over here. Again, supremely messy, don't please even care about it. But over here, if you can see, I have added some fairy lights, and the moment I turn on the switch, this is how pretty it looks. And these are just, you know, your little touches, and all of this was not even that expensive. The fairy lights were barely for like 100-120 rupees, and this is the huge, I think 6 feet or 12 feet fairy light. You know, the best part about my room, what I feel is that it looks pretty, it's aesthetically pleasing to look at as well as it's functional. So this looks really cute. Again, one of my favorite corners. When I sit on my desk, it just feels so serene and nice. Whenever I turn this on, it just looks all in all extremely cute. This is what my desk looks like. Again, extremely messy, you do not need to talk about it right now. I have my laptop, basic diaries, notebooks, etc. And over here I have my chair. This chair is very iconic to my channel. This is my dining room wala chair. We have 6 of these, so every room mein there's one of this chair. And iske upar jo pink bag latak raha hai, this is actually my swimming bag. If you guys want like what's in my swimming bag sort of a video, do let me know in the comments. I would love to share that as well. Now right adjacent to my desk I have this wall / corner over here. Now again, yahan pe same Durga Ma ka picture hai, just like my last room. Of course I did not throw it away because A, you should not. Also I think it just brings that, you know, little touch of spirituality in my room, if you will. Now just beside that, in this window I have a very cute evil eye dream catcher. Now they say that you're not supposed to gift yourself evil eyes, but I did, and I got this one from Kerala only for ₹80. Again, a very unique and cute touch to my room, if you will. एक question आपके mind में आएगा कि why are these two windows two different colors? Now I did not discuss this in the last video as well. Painting में scam तो हुआ ही था, उसके साथ there was a bit of scam in the carpentry as well, because the guy who made this window completely butchered it. This would not just close for the love of God, and there would always be a gap no matter how hard you're trying to close the window. And उसकी वजह से क्या होता था, when it would rain, the water would come in, of course insects तो है ही. So my dad had to again, you know, remove this grill, get this whole window thing done. After seeing this, I feel like I could have gone for some wooden and beige elements in this room to contrast with the lavender. I think that would look quite pretty as well. But what happened in the process was that कि मैंने इतने चाव से इस room को paint करवाया था with my favorite color. Meanwhile, in this again re-carpentry thing of trying to fix this window, some of the paint got chipped off, which is a really big bummer for me, honestly. You can see right over here some of the paint got chipped off, which does not look appealing at all. And यहाँ पे नीचे, to show you the true stuff, I have some bags kept over here जिसमें थोड़ा बहुत कपड़े हैं, I guess. Again, I need to organize that as well. Coming to this shelf, this is hands down one of my favorite parts of the entire room. This is actually a part of my old study table room / as well, because that table and this bookshelf came in together. Now I know what a contrasting color, इतने lavender room के साथ इतना तड़कता भड़कता pink color, but I think this just adds the right amount, the pop of color which it needed, and I love how it just perfectly fitted into this little खोपचा, if you will. Now of course if you see right at the top, पूरा शायद आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा, this has some of my board games. All of them are not here. So my original plan for this bookshelf was to actually convert it into like a walk-in wardrobe with shoes and bags, but that was quite impractical, if you will. I have still filled it up with some bags because I have quite many bags, and just shoving them into one almari was not working for me. At a very slow pace या फिर no pace ही बोल सकते हो, मेरे कमरे का काम चल रहा है. Everything is still very messed up, but I have kind of set my bookshelf, even though I don't think that the color is completely going with the wall ka color, but I have just set it up somehow with my bags and stuff, and I think it's looking quite cute. So in the top rack over here I have my most go-to bags, if you will. This one, of course all of my bags are mostly from New Market, if you know. So in the first rack itself I have my very handy black backpack which I often carry out. It's quite spacious, and this one, if you've seen me, I've carried it around with me around the world. Well, not around the world, but everywhere. This has to be one of my go-to bags. This rack right here, guys, is where my heart is at. Now what more could a girl ask for than a Harry Potter collection? Now of course I intend on growing it so much further, but this just makes me feel so happy. All of the 8 Harry Potter books plus some Harry Potter figurines, stickers, keychains, it just makes me so happy whenever I look at this. And of course I'm gonna add more and more Harry Potter merchandise to this. Now coming to the next rack, I know these may seem very random, but these just add that little bit of a pop to your entire room. So over here I have a very cute royal kind of a mirror, and again I have a donut vase. इसके अंदर मैंने कुछ भी अभी तक नहीं भरा है because I've not yet gotten any pampas grass or any dry form of grass in general. It's such a beautiful pastel blue, and even against this lavender color it looks so pretty. So yeah, of course I've kept that over here, and उसके साथ again I have a very small little छोटू सा बुद्धा. Now I have to bend a little to show the next 2 racks. Again over here I have 2 of my handbags. This one I can take as a crossbody bag as well, quite spacious. This was gifted to me by my friend Sam, and this one is a normal white handbag. And then I have a very cute little dog figurine over here. Again, this last one has 2 more bags, which is a pink section, if you will. So एक pink sling bag है, एक pink is a suitcase type का bag है. And in this last row, if you guys can see, I have just my tripod, some other electrical equipment, and just all in all very random things. I do need to organize this one, but overall I am really satisfied with this whole bookshelf, and it could not have panned out any better, honestly. Of course थोड़ा बहुत changes as time progresses I will make, because my priorities and choices will also change in life, but I'm really happy with this and the way it looks right now. Moving again this side to the bookshelf, over here I have my little tripod which is unfortunately broken. This was the first tripod which I bought, so I'm gonna have to throw it away unfortunately because it is of no use to me anymore, but this has always been with me since day one, so it's really special to me. So if you see here to the side, I have 2 more chairs over here with me which are very random. यहाँ पे honestly I wanted to have like a 2-seater couch. Right now that's not been possible as of yet, but finger crossed manifestation, someday I will have it. इसमें बहुत ही random सा सामान है, some old clothes, bags, school bags, stuff like that. Of course my room cannot be this non-functional, तो थोड़ा सा seating या फिर chair तो लगेगा ही. And in every Indian household you will have those seats which will become the laundry basket at the end of the day, so these are those. Right next to the chair you again have this hanging shelf, the macrame ones, and इसमें I've kept this cute little accent of a seashell mirror and a small little planter. Again, this also looks very cute, very minimalistic. From the last time, if you've seen the difference in my room tour, the last one was a little bit more congested. I had a lot of stickers and wall posters lying around. This time I've done nothing to the walls, barely touched them, and I think in some cases less is more. I think this is the one. Again, you move right here to this window. This window is your normal basic white. इस window के साथ कोई घपला नहीं हुआ, fortunately. So this is what it looks like, very basic, normal and simple. Now we will move to this side of the room. Again over here Jamini Roy का painting जो पहले भी था. If you would have noticed in my previous room tour, यहाँ पे एक और shelf हुआ करता था. We have completely eliminated that. And over here नीचे we have yet another storage unit. इसमें I have my albums and CDs. घर के पुराने albums and CDs है. And ऊपर just a little bit of random stuff lying around, which again I have yet to place. So starting off with this section, we have a very scary vampire mask which I specifically bought for Halloween. Over here I have a French candle and this very random सा gift which my friends got me for my birthday. Then this one also was a gift for my family. इसमें हम सभी चारों लोगों के pictures है. So again very cute. And बस yeah, that's it. इसके नीचे of course there's not much that you guys can see, just old CDs and albums, that's it. Now coming to this door, इसके पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है. It's a bit more of a storage space veranda of sorts, if you will. Now again, here is my vanity, the same old vanity, and इसमें भी मैंने कुछ ऐसे changes like that नहीं कि it's like the old same routine is there. इस side में थोड़ा PR का सामान, इस side में थोड़ा planters, and you know my hair accessory area just the same as it was. You can check out my old vanity tour. The link will be in the description. Now this is quite a huge vanity. नीचे there are more storage sections, so I have some of my sunglasses, random chappals, and you know things over here just for more storage purposes. This is also aesthetically pretty looking and quite functional. And इसका again पीछे घूमता है. इसका also I have not changed much anything. My makeup brushes, random hairspray thingies are over here. Now if you move to this side, you again get a little bit closer look of my makeup vanity. Now on the tabletop right here, I have kind of changed it up a little bit. यहाँ पे I have my nail polishes. Over here I have my whole perfume set and collection, and I've kept that on a microwave table. Like जो microwave के अंदर जो plate आता है which rotates, I've kept it on that. I had an extra lying around, so of course utilize it. And right on this side I have two of my jewelry boxes. This is again a Raymond का suit का box, and this was actually a pen and you know desk organizer. So of course you have to make जुगाड़ ही जीवन का नियम है. And coming to this vanity, इसका already I said detailed tour is given. इसमें I've not changed anything again. Makeup, skincare, that's all it is there. Very basic. Coming to these portions, these are actually cutlery and dinner set portions. So this whole top shelf is just you know dinner sets, cutlery, plates, and some random wine bottles in this party popper. Over here again, this is like a more mug set. So यहाँ पे I have all of my mugs and cups, and नीचे भी again you have more glasses, transparent glasses and cups. So again very transparent set if you will. And over here you have more cutlery. So this is basically all in all a very cutlery crockery section. Yeah. And finally coming to the kind of end of the room tour, we have this huge showcase जिसके ऊपर शकुंतला drawn है, and इसका ऊपर as you can see is royally messed up. This is not decorated by any means. इसमें बहुत सारा random सामान है, some baking measuring cups, a water gun, my piggy bank, some pain relief spray. So everything over here, it's just not for show clearly, but anyways I'm going to show you guys. And नीचे showcase में there are a lot of souvenirs from different places we've visited, or just random things which are worth you know keep storing in a showcase. That's all that's over here. And we've come back to the place that we started with, back to this door.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know the room is still quite messy and needs a lot of work to do. Of course I need to add a few more things to this room, like a dustbin and a storage unit. Of course those are you know not necessities but more wants really. But that's it for this room tour. Do let me know in the comments what do you like about my room and what do you not like about my room. I'm always open to any criticism. And guys, till then, stay safe, be kind to yourself and others, and I'll meet you in my next one. Bye.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.